Attitude ka na. Put your hands down. Attitude ka. Diba I told you don't hurt anyone? Ha? Because that's ouch? Ha? Answer, mommy. Yes or no? Are you going to hit mommy again? Are you going to hit me? Yes or no? I can't hear you. Yes or no? Louder. Yes or no? I can't hear you, Sky. Ano? Are you going to hit me again? No? Diba I told you don't do it because that's bad? That's ouch? Ha? Why you hit mommy? Are you angry? Angry ikaw? Ay, bakit? Oh, face the wall. I want you to face the wall. Put your feet on the wall. Your feet is on the wall. Put your hands on the back properly. You don't do it again, okay? I want you to stay there for like 30 minutes. Oh, sumusobra ha. Akala mo hindi ako nasasaktan ha. Pa. Pag di ka nag-sorry sa akin, hindi. Hindi ka alis dyan.